Hello, I want to talk to you today about how to inject some colour into your late autumn garden. First of all, I want to talk to you about spindle tree. Now, this is just such a common thing, Euonymus europaeus, but in the autumn it becomes absolutely covered in these lovely pink and orange berries, which make it look absolutely beautiful amongst other woodland plants. Have you ever tried this crazy plant? This is a shrub called Callicarpa Profusion. And in the autumn it gets these absolutely mad bright purple berries, and they look surprisingly good against the reds and yellows of autumn. Here we have Berberis. This is Gold Ring, and it has these bright leaves which last for a very long time, all through the autumn and winter. Watch out, it's awfully prickly, but it's a very pretty thing to have amongst your shrubs. Next, this is Viburnum opulus, the snowball tree, and in springtime it comes out in the most lovely snowball-like flowers, white flowers. The autumn, it's covered in gorgeous shiny berries. Another native plant for woodland situations, and the birds just love these berries. Here's snowberry. Now, this is a runner in the garden. Be very careful where you plant it, but it's lovely for wilder situations, and it gets these gorgeous white berries. Again, beloved by the birds in the winter. Here we have the leaves of another viburnum, Viburnum plicatum Mariesii. Now, this has flat tiers of white flowers in May, which are very, very well known. But in the autumn, all the leaves turn this lovely colour and they hang on for ages. Next, we've got a tree, Parrotia persica, which has a rainbow selection of leaves in the autumn. Very, very pretty thing. 3 more plants that I wouldn't want to be out without at this time of year. That is Malus Red Sentinel. Such a pretty crabapple. This is Liquidambar, a maple, and this one's Worplesdon. And this is Abelia grandiflora. Very, very pretty all through the summer and way on into autumn. Okay, now we mustn't forget the ornamental grasses in late autumn. A lot of them really come into their own. I find that the Steepa gigantea, giant oats, is spectacular in the summer, but looks a bit meh now. But Miscanthus is superb. It has these lovely plumes which last for a long time and wave about in autumn winds and catch the light. Just can't forget roses, you know me. This one is Simple Peach, a big 3 grow bags favourite, and it is still flowering in this garden as we get towards the middle of November. And lastly, here's gorse. Now then, this is in flower for most of the year, but its prime season is right now. And as long as you can tolerate its fierce prickliness and its willingness to wander about, so you need a pretty wild site, but if you can manage it, then grow gorse. And do remember that it's kissing season when the gorse is in flower, and since it flowers for almost all of the year, we're all in luck.
To read more about Elaine's choices for great plants for autumn colour, click on the link in the description of this video. And please do follow our blog at the3growbags.com.